can't start the car up because it's broken. What's up, guys? Justin here for another video. Now, so got a little explaining to do. I've been gone for the past 2 weeks or whatever, and I haven't really been making videos. I was gonna make one, but I had the ISO turned like all the way up on the camera, and the lighting was really bad, so the footage turned out terrible. So I never uploaded it. But yeah, one of the reasons that I haven't really been uploading is because of, well, because of this thing right here, this car. Now, today is Sunday, April the 8th. So about Monday, this past Monday, whatever day that was, whatever date that was, I was on my way to work, and my axle or something was clicking. So I was like, well, what the hell does that sound? So, and I get underneath this side of the car, turn the wheel all the way to the left, and I try to go underneath there to see what the hell, you know, if I can see if like something's loose, or maybe the axle is like snapped or some shit. I don't fucking know. So I was under there looking for about 2 minutes, and then next thing you know, I hear like, I'll put the clip of that in there. It's recorded on this piece of shit phone, so the footage is gonna be really ugly. How the fuck does this shit even happen? Like, this shit doesn't happen to anyone else. Seriously. So yeah, as you can see, I busted that coolant hose. It's like a intake manifold hose or something. I don't know what it like does, or yeah, pretty much what I have to do is get another hose. It's a 3/8 hose. Get new hose clamps and more coolant, cause that little hose literally spilled out every drip of coolant I had in here. So yeah, gotta go do that. And of course I can't take my car, so I'm gonna take my sister's car, the little silver car right there. This is the old hose, and I can set this camera down somewhere. Like, this hose doesn't, you can't even squeeze it. Listen how brittle this shit is. Like, what the hell is that? So, garbage. Gonna go handle that. Hopefully AutoZone has the right hose size. I'm not gonna get any coolant from there because their coolant is like super duper expensive. It's like $15 a bottle. So as you can see, when I was on my way to work, I do need gas. Never got gas. I literally have not driven this car in like damn near a week. Tomorrow will be a week, and I need to get it fixed today. One thing that I did do, I got a window switch. As you can see, I think my last video I put up, I was bitching about me not having a window switch. I still have not fixed this window regulator yet. That's gonna be coming soon. And I do have a window switch, so at least I can roll this window down, but still gotta work on this one, so yeah. So let me go get the keys to her car, and let's head to the store. Ooh, baby. Cold start. Pretty weak. Oh, let me turn it off before I get copyrighted. Yeah. As you can see, there's not much gas in here. So I guess I gotta put gas in here. Whatever, but we do have an eco mode, which doesn't really work. So yeah, whatever. Well, pulling up to AutoZone. Let's hope they got the hose. The hose. Pull up right in the front. The front. There we go. So yeah, hope they got this shit. Well, AutoZone had it. So, guess we're going to Walmart next to get coolant. I had to get new hose clamps too, because I had one, but I don't know where the rest of them were at. And as you can see, this hose is way more flexible and doesn't rip. It's actually a fuel line hose, but it'll do. Let's go to Walmart. Pop the hood. It should be a pretty easy install, but go all the way up. Since I'm the one doing it, it probably won't work as easy. Literally all I'm doing is putting a hose on here and connecting it to that. So should be pretty easy. I'm pretty sure this hose is too long. Yeah. Well, no, that's actually perfect. So should be pretty easy. So yeah, got the new hose on. This one, of course. Just got to tighten the clamps up. This one is probably going to be a little hard to reach because of where it's at, but that one underneath the fuel line should be pretty easy.
Twenty minutes later. 20 minutes later. Twenty minutes later.
So everything was going well until I looked down there. And what is that dripping? That's coolant. So I think I need to tighten this one up a little bit more.
20 minutes.
Alright, tighten that up. Let's see if it still leaks. I'll clean it off a bit so it won't be any old coolant like dripping that I think is leaking. So let's see if this shit still leaks.
20 minutes.
Well, I don't see any leaks so far, but I'm still gonna wait just in case. But look at all this fucking coolant that's spilled just from that little itty bitty leak. That's how all the shit spilled out the first time. Some more napkins to see if this shit is overheating. Oops, sorry, whoever car that is. And it's not, so I think we are good. How the fan works, the fan does work. But I think we should be good. Hopefully it doesn't mess up. I wanted to get some clips of me driving it, you know, to make sure it doesn't overheat. But this video is already long enough, so hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, be sure to smash the like button, subscribe, because I'm almost at 500 subscribers. And that'd be really cool if I can get to that before the end of April. I'm going to try my best to start uploading more often, you know, as soon as I find shit to do to this car, because like I said, I live a pretty boring life. So be sure to subscribe to see what else I end up doing, or, you know, whatever to this car. So yeah, but I'll catch you guys next time. Peace out.